We've had everybody else biting their nails, so I guess it's time for them to stop chewing. The answer to the question everybody wants to know. LeBron, what's your decision?
In this fall, man, it's very tough. In this fall, I'm going to take my talents to South Beach and join the Miami Heat.
Miami Heat.
And welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Lebron 8s in the South Beach colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing perks on there for our members, as well as a great merch store. So be sure to head on over there after this video. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Lebron 8s in this classic South Beach colorway. So we're going to start out with the overview of this and talk about this very brightly colored silhouette, which is probably one of my favorite colorways for the summer. Then we're going to jump into a size and fit on these, followed by styling. I had so much fun styling these neon pops of colors. And then we are going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. And you'll be surprised, these are killing it, specifically in larger sizes. So be sure to stick around till the end. All right, let's jump into this overview and talk about this shoe that has not been released since 2010, over a decade since we've seen the specific colorway that really stood out because LeBron was killing it when he was playing in Miami. So a little side note, I actually lived in South Beach for a year. So definitely reminiscing about living in South Beach, and this is definitely pops of colors that you would see out there. Reminds me a bit of the nightlife, not gonna lie. Miami, South Beach specifically, is the place that lives off of the nightlife, and I was definitely part of that when I lived out there, which is why I feel like I had to move away. It's just too much fun. So anyways, let's get into the frontal portion of the shoe and talk about this really luxe pebbled leather that we've got on the front of the toe box here, and that aqua marine blue colorway kind of gives me the ocean-like feels on the front there. As we work our way to the eyelets, we've got some actually really high quality black suede that kind of has a very cool pebbled look to it. It's kind of very hard to see, but hopefully we'll be able to get some nice close-up detail shots of that. It's really nice how they've pebbled that leather on the side of those eye stays. Then we've got just a nice simple black mesh tongue and a pop of hot vibrant pink for laces. If you're not feeling the laces, which I feel like this is a lace you need to wear with this shoe, they also offer you a black pair. As we work our way up to the tongue, we've got more of that really just luxe, high quality black pebbled leather. And we've got this really, really cool lion on the front. Look at his eyes. They're literally glowing in that neon pink, which I think is just such a cool detail and it really makes that lion fierce. So let's take a closer look at those details and then we'll work our way around to the side panels. our way around to the side panels, you'll notice that there is a lot of this really cool fly wire that is woven as kind of underlays and overlays. We've got it with hits of that black accent with hot pink, and again, just more of that base tone of the aquamarine blue, more of that just nice high quality pebbled leather. As we work our way to the back, we've got that aquamarine pull tab here, and we've got LeBron's signature with the Nike in that hot pink, which really just pops off of the black. Working our way around to the other side panel, we've got, again, more of that just pop of aquamarine colorway in the fly knit with this just really bright pop of black atop that aquamarine in the black color scheme for the swoosh. Looking on the insole, more hot pink, and it really is really hot pink in there. My goodness, they did a great job for the insole. And it says here on the inside, designed and engineered to the exact specification of Mr. LeBron James. All right, so this is designed for his foot. I will say the shoe is a bit heavier than silhouettes that I'm used to wearing, but on the collar we've got this nice kind of satiny black, again just giving it a nice kind of feel of nightlife, in my opinion, that sheen to it. Working our way to the bottom of the midsole, we've got black and then this nice outsole in this translucent icy blue color scheme, which really just gives this shoe the top off feel of that Miami look. And again, this is fully Air Max, full length Air Max. So very comfortable, meant to protect your foot during impact. I definitely found these to be super comfy, but on the heavier side. So I think it would take some getting used to for me, but that's it for this shoe. Let's take a look at those final details. Let's jump into size and fit. Actually, before I do that, I want to talk about this box because it's got a lion and LeBron on the front there, which is really cool. I think Nike did a great job with the packaging on this. I feel like LeBron's boxes are always really cool. I haven't honestly done a LeBron shoe since the media days, which was so long ago. It was when I first started my channel, actually. So definitely go back, peep that video. I know things have changed with the channel since then, but definitely one of my favorite shoes to film, and it was one of my lucky sneaker wins last year, and lucky to have got this on the Sneakers app as well. For those of you who had to suffer through the 90-minute draw that we had to go through for this one, it wasn't fun, but I managed to take a W on it. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I will say I always feel like these fit on the tighter end. There's not as much room as I would have expected to have in these. These definitely have my toe up at the edge. So I probably, depending on my sock, would probably go half a size up in these, but they do fit very, very snug, and my foot does feel like it's kind of crammed up in that toe box region. Again, I do have narrow, high arch feet, and that will depend as to what shoe will work best for you. So if you have wider feet that are flat, that may vary as well. All right, so now let's jump into the styling section. This was such a fun shoe style because these are some amazing summer colors, and obviously we're in the summer here in New York, and I love playing with neon colors. So for the first look, I decided to wear this lovely sports bar right now in this hot pink and black colorway, which is Obviously, the accents that you're seeing on this shoe, I paired that with a matching pair of leggings in black and hot pink as well, and I just really wanted to pull from these hot pink accents. I love wearing hot pink when I can. I don't like to overdo it, but like little subtle accents of it really just seem to work, and I think it is the perfect accent to wear with these shoes. For the second look, I want a more subdued look, so I decided to have these shoes really just be the standout centerpiece. And so I wore a Nike t-shirt dress, and that was just a nice simplistic black. So this really kind of set the tone for that look, and the black t-shirt dress was definitely the backdrop.
Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody's starving, but don't you go off the day. Don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, I've been trying to find the light. Waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to give me.
The last and final look, I decided to bring some khaki tones into this just because I think khaki really works well with these bright neon colors. So I wore my cargo pants, they're Nike ACG pants, and I paired that with my Supreme Cause box logo t-shirt, and that was in a lighter kind of powder pink color scheme. But I do think if you wear lighter pinks or even lighter teal shades with this, it goes perfectly, and again, it doesn't really take away from the colors that you see in the silhouette.
Right now it's my time and I'm gonna shine bright. Yeah. Look, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's time and I'm about to shine bright. Yeah. Shine bright. Shine bright, joy in the light. Yeah, ooh. Everybody got problems. Everybody got problems. You just want to solve them. Live it up, I call it. That's right. Oh, I know you got problems. Know you at the bottom. Know you took it long. I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still trying to flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash cause good die young. Yeah, but here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all.
All right, so now let's conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the retail market. So these are on the higher end price point wise. We're at $200 retail, and you can tell there's definitely a lot of high quality attributes to this shoe. Depending on what shoe size you are, definitely the larger sizes are killing it on the resale, but smaller sizes aren't doing as good. But they are going between $240 to $450. All right, so that is it for this unboxing and review. Again, if you're new here today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our join button. We've got some incredible perks on there for our members, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next episode.